If you start your day on a healthy note, chances are it is probably going to benefit you for the rest of the day. Your mornings set the tone for the day. While there are many things you can do it in the morning to have healthy routine, experts agree eating well is the first step. A well-fed body is a well-fueled mind. Watch out what experts in nutrition, fitness and wellness reveals the most crucial things to do every morning to start your day on a healthy note. 1. Get up on time. Are those 9 extra minutes the snooze button gives you ever really worth it? Get out of bed when you first wake up and start your day already, especially since the 2 hours after we awake are potentially the most productive of our entire day. Running late or feeling rushed in the morning only adds to anxiety and fatigue and can cause us to turn to coffee and sugary snacks to get through the rest of the day. 2. Drink cleansing lemon water. Lemon digestive aid water or lemon cleans water is a great way to stimulate digestion, jumpstart your digestive enzymes, and gives your body a vitamin C boost. Citrus contains compound called flavonoids pass through the stomach and reach the colon where they create an environmental that is beneficial to good gut bacteria. 3. Dry brush your skin. Dry skin brushing improves lymphatic drainage, promotes circulation, thus supporting detoxification. By exfoliating, it also helps the skin directly. Gently brush in a circular motion, always moving from the extremity towards the heart. Use counterclockwise strokes on your belly to improve detoxification. 4. Scrape your tongue. By tongue scraping every morning, you remove bacteria that can lead to poor oral health. Brush your teeth before you tongue scrape. Then use a tongue scraper to reach as possible and pull forward, scraping off the white film. 5. Oil pulling. Oil pulling has been a common oral detoxification practice for centuries and can be done with coconut, sesame, or olive oil. It should be done on an empty stomach to ensure maximum benefit. The best times are upon rising and before bed. 6. Detox your products. Detoxing is not only about what you eat and drink, it is also the products you put on your skin. Make sure you are using personal care products and make sure that free from harmful ingredients. 7. Get moving. Whether it is walking the dog, bike ride to work, stretches at your work, or quick yoga session, commit to getting your heart rate up and your body going in the morning. Regular exercise get the blood moving and it is essential for healthy metabolism. 8. Take probiotic. Probiotic are healthy bacteria, regulate and restore your intestine's natural balance, and studies have shown they can help rid the body of heavy metals, free radicals and dangerous bacteria. 9. Eat the right breakfast. Skipping breakfast affects not only your focus, but a recent study shows it also impacts your likelihood of achieving the best nutrients intake for the day. It is important to get fiber, protein, and healthy fats early in the day versus simple carbs and refined sugar, like when you give in to relying on break room or coffee shop snacks. 10. Drink green tea. green tea to your daily diet for several weeks. Proponents claim that it can flush out toxins, enhance immune function, and boost your weight loss efforts and energy. You will be getting beauty boosting antioxidants and a metabolism kickstart, and there is still caffeine in it. If you are an iced tea fan, try green tea energy drink with chia seeds that provide fiber and omega 3 fatty acids. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and share. Subscribe the channel.